In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in the Lightroom mobile app. By the end, you'll know how to take a photo from flat to polished using the essential tools built right into Lightroom on your phone. First, open the Lightroom app on your mobile device. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and log in so your edits can sync and save properly. Once you're in, head to your library and tap a photo you want to improve. Then, tap the edit icon to reveal the main editing panels at the bottom of your screen. Start with the light panel to balance overall brightness and contrast. Use the exposure slider to set the foundation. Slide right to brighten a dark image, or left to rein in a shot that's too bright. Next, refine the midtones with highlights and shadows. Lowering highlights helps recover detail in bright areas like a washed-out sky. Raising shadows lifts details hidden in dark regions without blowing out the rest of the image. Finally, nudge whites and blacks to define the brightest and darkest points. Make small, careful moves here while watching edges and important textures so you preserve contrast without clipping detail. Now switch to the color panel to correct tone and bring life to your image. Adjust temp and tint to set a natural white balance. Move temp to the right to warm up a chilly-looking photo, or to the left to cool down a scene lit by warm indoor bulbs. Use vibrance to boost muted colors selectively. It's a safer way to add pop without making skin tones look cartoonish. If you need more targeted control, open Color Mix. Choose a specific hue like orange and reduce its saturation slightly to calm overly orange skin, or pick blue to shift a sky toward turquoise. Make subtle changes and preview frequently to keep things natural. Head to the effects panel for texture and depth. A small increase in clarity and texture, around +10 to +20, adds crispness to fabrics, hair, and architecture without making the image look harsh. If your photo looks hazy or flat, carefully slide dehaze to the right to cut through fog or glare. To guide attention to your subject, apply a gentle vignette by sliding left. This darkens the corners and helps center the viewer's eye. When you're happy with the edit, tap the share icon at the top right. Choose Save to Device to export your final image directly to your camera roll. That's it. Clean, natural-looking edits made quickly on mobile.